In this video, we're going to talk about how to fix a returned LURU submission. If something isn't acceptable, maybe you uploaded the wrong file or made another mistake, and the submission is returned. We'll show you how to correct it. First, navigate to the projects and permits, either from the tiles on the home screen or by using the left-hand navigation menu. In your project, select the LURU button and navigate to the LURU with the Not Accepted status. Select the pencil icon to edit to see the previous PDF that was added before. You're going to select the minus icon to remove the file. Then you're going to select the plus button next to Add a File to upload and reattach your corrected PDF before submitting again.